What are your guys' like goals, right? And what things do you wish could be automated right now as far as the rental portfolio goes?
We are hiring an assistant, not buying one. So we've been interviewing. So if anybody's watching this and you are interested in it, we are interviewing people to get an assistant. We're hoping to get all the automation for all of our marketing. So we have outbound marketing that's leading to a lot of stuff now. So direct mail and things of that sort. We're looking to make sure that all of our property management has gotten pretty much succinct down to like 1 email a week, which is as close to passive as we can get. We're looking to make sure that our property manager is staying in check. So we've been getting updated photos and stuff like that without having to ask. And then when it comes to like bigger goals, we're looking to just buy more property. And part of that is understanding that like there's going to be things that we can't control. And so, working with our property managers to set expectations and, continue to have acquisition.